Hey, what is up guys, this is Sakib and welcome back to the SA360. Samsung seems to be beating its card on its next champion, the Galaxy S9, which is expected to be unveiled sometimes early next year. The Galaxy S9 will be the latest S-series smartphones and the rumors surrounding the device are pretty compelling. Design-wise, there is a good chance that the Galaxy S9 will follow the template set by its predecessor, the Galaxy S8, with a few modifications. According to a trusted review report, leaks and rumors have emerged stating that the Galaxy S9 would likely follow Apple's example, eliminating the bezels in the device and leaving just a small notch at the top of the smartphone to house the flagship's most critical sensors. Another interesting rumors about the Galaxy S9 that has emerged recently pointed to the idea of the upcoming flagship having a modular design. Modules have long been explored as a novel idea by smartphone manufacturers to be very little success. Motorola has done it before, LG has tried it, and Essential has released a device that followed the same principle. Samsung's modules for the Galaxy S9 are rumored to feature magnets that allow each edition to attach to the flagship phone, much like Google's ill-fated Project Era. If these rumors prove true, the Galaxy S9 might very well be the first modular flagship smartphone to become a massive hit. The Galaxy S9 is expected to be equipped with a lot of processing firehouse in order to beat or at least match with the A11 Bionic chip that Apple has unveiled with the iPhone X. With this in mind, speculations are high that the Samsung Galaxy S9 would be fitted with a Snapdragon 845 and a 7nm processor that is rumored to be designed by Qualcomm in collaboration with Samsung. Other novelties feature that are rumored for the Galaxy S9 including yet another rear fingerprint sensor, up to 6GB of RAM, a dual camera configuration, Android Oreo, and other features such as facial recognition and wireless charging. Due to its next generation chip, the Galaxy S9 is also expected to be equipped with the capability to support download speeds of up to 1.2GB per second. That being said, more rumors will appear in the meantime, so subscribe my channel for all the latest coverage. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.